you guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is officially over. My name is Jiro J. Medina, the creator and developer of this channel. If you're new here, hi!
Hi, how are you?
And if you're a returning subscriber, hi! Did you miss me? Because I missed you. And today's video, we are going to do another round of bleach. What? Because my sister says, I think I can, right sis?
Yeah.
She's right here though, just letting you know she's over here. She's like, there she is. So yes, I'm gonna do another round of bleach because my sister said that yes, it's a good idea. And plus the dye that I'm gonna do, which technically speaking it's called color from brand Mondo. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do.
I mean, it would look better on you.
So yeah, it needs, like, my sister believes that it needs to be much more, you know, lighter. So it will stick with the color more, right? It sticks better to the color, right?
It'll penetrate better.
It'll penetrate better to my hair. Make sure it's actually the color that I want. I won't tell you which one would it be, but it'll be one of these three. So if you think you know which one I'm gonna use, put it down in the comments, and then I'll like the one that I'll like the one that it is. And let's see, 20 volume, just like I did the first 2 rounds, right?
The color
Where
of the basket.
right, it was 2 rounds, right? Really?
Yeah. We did
2 rounds
already.
You already did 2 rounds, and this one. Also that. Excuse the color. That's my sister's hair. Recently, that was like right now, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, if you go to her channel, if her video is up, I will link it right here, so you can go and see what we did, and then the process of it if you want to see. And if it's not there yet, I will link it though, down in the description box below. So yes, let's get into it. But yeah, I'm gonna do another round. Hopefully it will be all like lighter and one color, right? Somewhat?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, I have a beard now. I'm gonna shave it off, don't worry. And you're gonna hear my niece once in a while. She's over there.
Put it on your face, hold it.
Like that or no?
Yep, that's perfectly fine. So the thing I was trying to get as best as possible.
I'm gonna go to sleep here. We'll be back. So yeah, you guys, we just did the first coat of the long strands, right?
Yeah.
The long strands. And now we just wait for it to develop and then start with the roots. So
Yes.
We'll see you there. So yeah, now we're back. But now this time we finished touching up the roots, and I just skipped over that because you already saw it with the other video or the continuation of that video. And now we're just letting it process. We did all of it to the back, and I look like a satellite dish. But it's good. Yeah, we look like a satellite dish. Yes. So, we will see you in a bit. Bye. And I'm back. So yeah, my sister did an amazing job. Because I could feel everything. No, it was good. Ooh. And you know what time is it? Blow drying time. I'll see you in a bit. So yes, you guys, this is the final hair, the result of it. My sister did an amazing job. You can see. And now it's just for the coloring part. So yes, out of one of these 3 colors, I will be using for my hair. Comment down below and tell me how well my sister did. And now my next step in this video right now is to color it. And I'll see you there. And the color that I'm going to choose today, well actually the one that I picked since January, right? The color that I picked since January actually is this one. It's called Super Pink. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. Ooh, it's gonna be all pink. So yes, my sister's gonna come again and help me, and we'll see you there. Okay.
Alright, so let me get into it. And just grab some color. I'm not really gonna put it on your forehead since.
No, it's okay. If you want to.
No, because I need to start from the back, okay? Alright then. Like that. Do another one, which are 1, 2, and 3.
Where are you fixing it? Oh, yeah, here, right? Okay.
Yeah.
If I'm like, you know, right? Because if I lie about it, people might be like, he doesn't like it. Bruh. Colored me.
It's a great old house. Good bones, right around 4.
You guys can keep doing that? Like, I think it'll work like that. I know you will get mad. You know why?
Because they're good damage.
No. You know why? It's white. So yes, you guys, this is the final, because look, they already done. Wait, there's a car plowing the snow right now.
It's snowing.
It's snowing actually, but yeah, it's all gone. It's all on my hair. If you're wondering, what I recommend is for like the amount that it's in here, would it be for completely for hair? Yes, technically speaking, it was supposed to fill my hair, but you had to do an emergency fix up. As you can see, a little bit of the product went, but at the end of the day, it was an amazing turnout at the end. So no regrets at all. But yeah, I believe one of them. If you have the size, like the amount of hair that I have, I refer you one. But if you have a little bit more, like my sister,
like a little bit of shoulder length,
like shoulder length, like my sister, 2, 100% 2. Because if not, you're gonna run out, which is not good. So right now, we just let it sit for
30 minutes.
30 minutes or more, depending. Because there's no limit, right?
No, it says 20. But
it says 20, but we're gonna put it in for 30 for now.
Make sure I got all these little things.
Yeah, she's just making sure.
And
so yeah, it's gonna be for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and I'll show you the final result. So I'll see you then. Gonna be the end, because now it's already been 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna need to wash it off. So yeah, wash it off. So, be right back. So yes, you guys, I am back here, and I finished blow drying my hair as quick as I could, because now it's 2-something. 2:14. February 1st. So let's see the results, right sis?
Yes.
want to close your eyes?
Sure, you can wait. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. How you like the color, guys? Comment down below. Tell me how well my sister did. All of the bleaching. I did 3 treatments, right? 3 treatments of bleaching out my hair.
Bruh.
And then the Brad Mondos. Literally the Brad Mondos right here. How well it did. Tell me, you guys. Comment down below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Actually, no. You better just give me love. I don't care. Then give me love. Yes, and if you want to follow my sister and see what we did with her hair, yes, including Brad Mondos, I will link that up here or in the description box below. So you can go follow her, and the link will be right there too, and her social medias as well, because she helped me out so much with my hair, because this is just the beginning of the project that is soon to come, hopefully. So, yes, you guys, now I got to just continue with the project now. Look at my hair. Do you like it, sis? Do you like it?
Really nice. I'm really happy.
Sounds like so colorful. Is it back fine?
Yeah, the back is good. Oh my god, I was just so worried about the back, to be honest with you.
You wanna know a fun fact? The product was almost out too, so
Almost out? It's out.
it's out, but like, you know.
Oh, multiples is that little dance.
So in other words, we kinda got lucky, right?
Yeah.
But we had fun though. Really?
It's something stupid. Well, you don't delete it from the video.
What?
Papa Pig!
Oh, yeah. My niece is calling me that somehow, but hey, it's her favorite show. I usually say bacon at the end, but okay. I love bacon. But yeah. Yes, you guys, this is today's video. I hope you loved this. Just letting you know. This was a great, very interesting project. This is just the beginning, right? Because remember, Mom hasn't seen I never showed Mom that. So yes, you guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you loved this video. Give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. And if you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video, which is randomly and spontaneously. So that's why you should hit the notification bell so you will know what video or when my video will be coming out soon. It's a snowplow. It just gets louder. It just gets louder. But yes, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out new videos that will be coming out soon. And my social media will be down in the description box below, and also my sister's as well. If you want to go follow her, please give her some love and show some support. Go follow her. Her social media handles will be linked down below, as well as mine. And if you want to see other videos relative
That is not cool.
related to this, my sister will be doing a video on her channel about dyeing her hair, so it'll be up here or down in the description box below as well. And hope you enjoy that too. This is officially over, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.